So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I hope that you all are fine. So today we are going to review the KTM RC390 modified. So it is from Maestro Toys, and if you want to see the stock review of it, then you can go on my channel and you can check the old review of this KTM RC390. So this is the modified one, and as usually you all can see that the wheels are painted in black and some kind of golden finish you all can see, or yellow, depending on the camera how it is justicing. So in this side a lot of yellow color or gold color you all can see. So let's start with the review. So at the first, if you will see, then you all can see the chain cover, and sorry, not the chain cover, the sprocket and the chain is done in gold or yellow color, as you all can see. And then on the footrest, the rear and the front, they are also painted in gold, and the rear foot peg is in white because I didn't wanted to keep it on yellow or black, that's why. And at the front, if you will see, wait, let it just is. So you can see the, so I have painted that on yellow color, that was looking nice. And the brake calipers are in kind of golden, and the USD fork also I have done it in golden, and the fork piece is in white. It was in silver but the paint come out, that's why I needed to do that. Then one thing you all will be noticing, it is quite high than the stocker RC. So the in stock RC you get till this much height, but it is kind of more than the stock one, that's why. How I have done I will tell you. First I have holded it and then I have changes the swing arm position, that's why it is like this. And if you will notice on the wheels, sorry guys, so they are in black and the stripes are in orange. Look at more better, it matches with the frame color. Frame at all because I like the frame's color, and the orange gear suits the bike, that's why, because it's a KTM. And it kites looks same to the BS6 one. So which toy comes, it is totally copy of the BS3 model. So this one looks really nice, better than the BS3 model. And the black rims gives the edge to its design. And over here this caliper is also in golden, and this swing arm sliders is also in gold. The front, the fork sliders and the shocker, sorry, the USDs. And at the handlebar what I have done I will show you. Over here the brake and the grips are in gold, and the brake oil cap is also in yellow, I mean gold. What you all wanna think, you all can think. And over here the clutch lever is also in gold, and obviously the grips are also in gold. So from this side it looks really nice, but I like this side's look more than this side. It's little bit on this side, that's why I like it. So one thing you all will be noticing that the seat height is more than the stock KTM RC390, that's why the windshield is coming down. So you are totally wrong. If you will see like this, then you will understand that they are parallel, but they shouldn't be parallel. They come like this, wait, it comes like this. If I would want, then I would take out this also, but I have not taken out this because the Maestro logo looks good on it and the RC logos. So I have not painted the graphics in black because I like the silver graphics on the body, that's why. And the rims are looking really nice on this motorcycle. Really this modified looks really nice than the stock RC. So how you all have liked, then please give a like to it. And this was all for today's video. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.